Hey there, this is Dan from RoboRock. I'm a public relations manager here. And today we are announcing our new flagship model, the RoboRock S7 MaxV Ultra. So the idea behind robot vacuums is that they are supposed to be automatic, right? Autonomous. But that's not the case. You have to do a lot of things. You have to probably rescue it. You have to, do a lot of things on the app. You have to wash the mop if it's a mopping robot as well. And this is a vacuum that mops. So the beautiful thing about it is you don't have to do much except for making sure there's clean water into this place and occasionally removing the dirty water from here. So what it does is it goes out on its cleaning run, it comes back to wash its mop, and the dirty water goes into here, right? And it self-empty. So you basically just set it to forget it, right? So this is what we're trying to aim for. We're trying to get our customers, hands-free, worry-free, just have their floors clean. Yep. And these are some of our models. The S7 Plus, we introduced this last CES. We're also coming out with a new series called the Q series, where we are aiming to reach more people, the mid-range solution. And I'm bringing you over there to have a look at the demo, right? So if you just come over to this side, this shows the map, right? With LiDAR, it navigates very precisely and very efficiently. There's a camera system on the RoboVac that helps it recognize objects, recognize common home obstacles such as shoes, and even pet accidents. So you want to clean around the shoes, right, and not bump into it, get stuck on it. And that's when it's done, it goes back to the dock and self-empty, self-washes. So yeah, that's the RoboRock S7 MaxV Ultra coming to you early Q2, probably April, probably May, retailing for an MSRP of $1,400, $1,400. Okay, and here we are having the RoboRock Dyad, which is our wet and dry cordless stick vacuum. So my colleague here is gonna put on some wet messes, juice, coffee, oats, right? And the Dyad is supposed to be able to, pick this up with no mess, right? No fuss. Right, this is oats. Is this coffee? Yep. This is coffee, right? So we're trying to look at the common, home spills that we probably have. You spill juices, coffee, a little bit of oats if you have children, right? And then what you want to do in those situations is to pick up a wet dry vacuum, head over to that spot, and very quickly, very easily pick it up. So let's have a look. There you go. Very easy. And the beautiful thing about this is that you can actually put in cleaning solution. This is a cleaning solution that we work specifically with Unilever to help us clean, not just with water, but also with a cleaning solution. Right, so that's the RoboRock Dyad for you. The RoboRock Dyad will come to you in February, right? Retailing for $459.99. Check us out on Amazon.com, us.roborock.com. Thank you.